Okay, balloon number 1. First, we're going to light this little candle here. Balloon number 1. Can it show? There it goes.
Put it back a little bit.
Put it back more? Does that help? Yes, you can see me and it. All right.
You scoot back.
Yeah, okay. All right, ready? So this one, air. Water. Oh, it went out.
Oh, I'm scared. Daisy, get away from this. This is not going to be good.
Watch. Water.
Is it going?
Yep. See it? It's even touching it.
What is happening?
It's a fireproof balloon. The heat, the water is absorbing the heat, and it's taking it and it's
So basically, I could fill my house with water balloons, and then if my house is on fire and I just throw water balloons at it, it'll fireproof my house. Wow!
Yeah, look at that. Ta-da! All right. No, the heat goes and absorbs into the water. The heat transfers in there, so the rubber never reaches its boiling or its melting point because the water has the capacity
I just want to take a second.
Take all that energy.
I just want to take a second